Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Binance Desktop. First, download and install the official Binance Desktop application from their website. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in with your existing credentials. Remember to complete the identity verification process, often called KYC, to unlock all features and higher transaction limits, ensuring a secure trading experience. Next, let's fund your account. You can deposit cryptocurrency from an external wallet by selecting the correct coin and network. Alternatively, purchase crypto directly using fiat currency via bank transfer or credit card. Always double-check the deposit address and network to avoid losing funds. Binance offers various fiat options, making it easy to get started with a minimum deposit of around $10. Now, let's explore the trading interface. Navigate to the spot trading section to view various cryptocurrency pairs. You can place different order types: a market order for instant execution, a limit order to buy or sell at a specific price, or a stop limit order for advanced strategies. Monitor your open orders and trade history easily from the dashboard, giving you full control over your investments. Finally, let's talk about security and withdrawals. Always enable two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator, for enhanced account protection. When withdrawing funds, be aware of the daily limits and associated fees, which vary by cryptocurrency. Ensure you withdraw to a verified external wallet address, confirming the correct network to securely access your assets outside of Binance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.